In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new Wix site from scratch. To begin, head over to your main Wix dashboard. This is the central area where you can manage your existing sites, settings, and account tools. If you already have projects in your account, you'll usually see them listed here, so this is the right place to start whenever you want to create something new. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and find the drop-down menu. Go ahead and click it. This menu gives you access to different site options, and from there you'll want to choose the option to create a new site. This is what starts the setup process for a brand new Wix project. After you click to create a new site, Wix will usually begin showing you a series of prompts, suggestions, or setup questions. These are designed to help guide users through a faster setup, but if your goal is to truly start from scratch and have full control over the build from the beginning, you'll want to skip through those prompts. Just continue selecting the skip option wherever it appears until Wix stops asking for setup details. Skipping these prompts is useful because it gives you a cleaner starting point. Instead of having Wix automatically shape the site for you based on its recommendations, you'll be able to begin with a more blank and flexible setup. That can be especially helpful if you already know the kind of design or structure you want to create. Once you've skipped everything, Wix will begin creating the new site for you. At this stage, all you need to do is wait a few moments while the platform finishes generating the site in the background. Depending on your connection and the platform's speed, this usually only takes a short time. When that process is complete, your new Wix site will be ready, and that's it. You've successfully started a brand new Wix site from scratch. As a quick tip, starting this way is ideal if you want maximum freedom while designing, because you're not locked into early suggestions or guided choices. From here, you can move on to customizing the layout, pages, theme, and content exactly the way you want. That's the full process for creating a new Wix site from scratch.